Welcome back to the second episode of Learn English with Funny Situations. Last time I gave you 4 situations and they were really amazing. And this time I have 4 more situations for you. And of course, it is your task to describe each of them in English based on your English level. So without any further ado, let's begin. So here is the first situation. Just pause the video and start describing it in English. Don't worry about your level, just give it a try. A man is about to sit on a stool, but just before he sits, another man carrying a sack suddenly takes the stool away. The first man loses his balance and falls down. The second man does not even notice and goes to sit near the sacks. You can also describe it in English. Just give it a try. So here is the second situation.
ये क्या बात हुई यार, ये क्या बात हुई?
Just pause the video and start describing it in English. A man is standing alone by the roadside in the rain, clearly waiting and hoping for a lift. Suddenly, another man arrives and stops his back nearby. The standing man looks hopeful, thinking, yes, finally someone is going to give me a lift. But he is surprised because the biker is not there to help. He was just seeking shelter from the rain too. Both now stand under the same spot, trying to stay dry. Moments later, the biker walks towards his back. The standing man again thinks, maybe now he's offering me a lift. So he excitedly follows him. But once again, disappointment. The biker was just reaching towards his back to take out the key, not offering a lift at all. Now it's your turn to describe it in English. Let's try. So here is the third situation. Just pause the video and describe it in English. 2 friends are sitting on a wooden bench. One is busy eating and the other is deeply focused on his phone. Everything seems calm and peaceful. Suddenly a guy comes running from behind, snatches the mobile from the man and runs away. He is shocked and starts chasing him without thinking about the man who is sitting on the other side. But as he stands up in a rush, the bench flips, and the man who was just enjoying his food loses his balance and falls straight into the muddy water of the rice field along with the bench. What are you waiting for? Just describe it in English. So fourth situation is always optional. You can choose your favorite one and describe it in the comment section. If you wish, then you can make it a shorter version or whatever you want. So if you find this video fruitful, don't forget to give a thumbs up and leave a feedback in the comment section. And I always bring great ways to help you improve your English proficiency. So don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you are watching this video on Facebook, don't forget to follow. See you in the next video.